Mastering Homophones and Homonyms, Unleashing the Power of Words. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's exciting video on mastering homophones and homonyms in English language. English is a language full of words that sound the same but are spelled differently and have different meanings. These words are known as homophones. Similarly, we have words that are spelled the same but can have different meanings. These words are known as homonyms. Understanding these words is crucial in advancing your English vocabulary, enhancing your writing and speaking skills, and avoiding common mistakes. Homophones are words that sound the same when pronounced but have different meanings and may have different spellings. Some common examples include pair and pear, flower and flower, break and break. These words can be confusing, but with practice, you'll get the hang of them. The key to mastering homophones is to understand their meanings and practice using them in sentences. Let's take a look at some examples. I bought a pair of shoes. Meaning two of something. I ate a juicy pear for lunch. Referring to a type of fruit. Remember, the context of a sentence often helps you to identify which homophone is suitable. Homonyms are words that are spelled the same and sound the same but have different meanings. They can be quite tricky to identify and use correctly, but don't worry, we'll break it down together. Examples include bat, a piece of sports equipment or an animal, bank, a financial institution or the side of a river, and date, a day of the year or a romantic meeting. Let's dive into some examples. He swung the bat with all his might. Referring to a piece of sports equipment. The bat flew into the night. Referring to an animal. Again, context is key in determining the meaning of a homonym in a sentence. When reading written texts, you'll often come across homophones and homonyms. Identifying these words requires a good understanding of their meanings and careful attention to the context in which they're used. Let's look at an example. John is going to the bank to get some cash. Then he plans to enjoy his lunch by the bank of the river. In the above sentence, the word bank is used twice, but it has a different meaning each time. The first, bank, refers to a financial institution, while the second, bank, refers to the side of a river. This makes bank a homonym. And there we have it. A quick yet comprehensive guide to understanding and identifying homophones and homonyms in written English. The more you read and practice, the easier it will be to spot and correctly use these tricky words. So, keep practicing, keep reading, and keep expanding your vocabulary. We hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more exciting English lessons and remember, the key to mastering any language is practice, practice, practice. Happy learning!